I'm going to open my surprise eggs.
Okay, what color are you going to do first?
I'm going to do yellow.
Okay, what's inside? What is it? Is it a goose?
Yeah.
It's so cute. Okay, next. What color now?
Purple.
Okay.
We have to put it back here.
Sure. Tell me who they are when you open them.
Flounder.
Cute.
We put all of these over here.
Okay.
Don't mix them together.
I won't.
Now I'm going to blue. This one you packed up good.
Yeah, it has a pretty design that you did on the outside.
Yeah.
Artistic. What is it?
Dinosaur.
Oh, cute.
Here. Don't mix it up.
I won't.
Putty. It's like putty.
Mm-hmm.
Putty.
Look what I found outside.
Wow. Crazy. Okay.
Now I'm going to do pink.
Okay. What is it?
Sebastian.
Cute. Crab.
Oh, this one's backwards. Here.
Thanks.
Now last is going to be this. So first I'm going to start with this flower.
Nice.
Then I'm going to do this. It's a card.
Cool.
It's from Peanut.
There's Peanut right there.
Okay, I'm going to open it.
Okay.
It's a great message.
What does it say?
It says peanuts love peanuts. To Brooke.
That's beautiful. Now open the present. Aww.
Do it again.
What is it?
This time it's going to be for you. I'm going to make it for
Okay.
you.